If you are doing these 3 mistakes, then you need to correct it right now. Watch till the end of the video so that you can save your earnings and boost it. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed our channel, join our Telegram group, and also you have visited our official website where you will get different airdrops and their reviews with update. Well, let's talk about the 3 mistakes that needs to be corrected right now. Very first mistake is using multiple node on same device. Well, I also up right corner here is the gradient sentry node. If I'm using this node on this device, I'm using right now Chrome, Google Chrome. If I use Safari, then also if I connect there and also in another browser I connect there, then gradient network count this as the spam and it won't allow you to run node on your device, and this might result in disconnected or unsupported. This is the very first one you need to understand. Always use one node per one device. If you use one device and 3-4 nodes, then it won't work. Focus on one node and then make referrals. Refer with your referral codes. That will be very good for you. And the second one is very interesting mistake that you guys are doing. That is not following the instructor or referrer. I am your referrer, and what I am explaining or what who introduced you gradient network, if you are not listening to them, then how you can earn points, good points? Well, let's have a look here as an example. I have total 103 people on my referral code. With my referral code, 103 people have joined gradient network. Out of them, only 4 are qualified. Why? Because these people didn't listen what I was talking on the video while on registration process. They didn't listen. Now I will explain. Why is it in pending? Your referrals are still working towards 72 hours of uptime. They are not even uptime. They are not even online. Then how can they earn points? So if you are using the referral code, or if you are doing this, if you are participated in gradient network, then make sure you have joined and you have completed 72 hours at least to be eligible for gradient reward. That's why qualified are only 4. They have completed 72 hours and they are earning well, and these people can't earn because they did not complete it even 72 hours. Let's have a look on reward section. Here you will get everything. Yeah, having 10 qualified referrals will give you 5000 exp token. Likewise, 2000 warm welcome nomad life. That means this one total uptime reaches 72 hours. That means it gives me 1000 exp. It will give you 1000 exp when you completed this. That means exp token, exp points that will be converted into the token. So this is the reward system, reward place you can participate on. And this is the second mistake. Please listen carefully. If you don't know how to do this, then you can comment down below, or you can ask to your referrer whoever introduced you the gradient network or any airdrop platforms. Well, let's move to the next mistake that guys are commonly doing. Not joining and subscribing the channel, Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. Well, if you are joining with someone's link, and if someone is explaining this to you and you are not following him or her, can leads to misunderstanding kind of situation, because I will guide you in different way, then other people will guide you in different way. If you know how airdrop works, how this kind of deep in project works, then that's okay. If not, then you need to follow your referrer whoever introduced you. That's also counted as the mistake that it needs to be corrected. And also the Telegram channel. I have made Telegram channel, Telegram group for you to get daily update. Whenever I got update, I used to upload there. You need to go to there and you need to check it out, and you need to educate yourself. Complete 72 hours and make referrals as much as you can. Don't try to cheat on network. They are very clever than we think. So beside of that thing, you can just increase your number of referrals. Convince your people on social media to join under you. It's upon you. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. I am educating you how you can get more points and how you can achieve what you have started. That thing, how you can finish or achieve what you have started. That's it. So I hope you guys have learned a lot from this today. If you have any queries related to this gradient network, just feel free to comment down below. I will be covering your problems in next video, or I will reply it on comment box. Before ending the video, subscribe to our YouTube, subscribe our Telegram channel where you get updates, and if you have time you can go to our official website and find out other free airdrops and minings that are very new and fresh. So this much is for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it.